Wondering if you'll get your money's worth out of premium holiday light sets? Well, it's the same as it is with most things you buy. You get what you pay for.
Bargain price light sets are a good value for smaller displays or indoors, and the outdoor lights are okay in drier climates. But with premium sets, you get your money's worth in a few ways, especially if you plan to decorate year after year. The heavy-duty set lets you connect almost twice as many sets as value-priced bulbs. They're more durable and a huge convenience during setup because they make it easier to run connections to outlets. Not to mention, the bulbs have some extra weather resistance around the socket to seal out moisture. And here's the best part: continuous on technology. If one bulb breaks or loosens, it won't take out the rest of the set. Now you don't have to spend ages finding that bad bulb.
There are different brands that offer this feature. I happen to like the Stay-Lit technology. The circuit stays closed in a way that doesn't cause the rest of the bulbs to dim out faster or shimmer. When it comes to contractor grade, these light sets offer a couple of other features that make them great for decorating outdoors.
The bulbs are a little thicker and sturdier, but the longer length of the strand is the main reason these are the pro's choice. Longer strands mean fewer connections to make. It also means the spacing between the bulbs is wider. So go for the LED sets here because the bulbs are brighter and cast a light in a wider range to make up for the extra gap between lights.
For the tips, advice, and tools you need, visit your neighborhood Ace and find us online at acehardware.com.